debate today was the solution, how to reduce the cost on construction, new construction or renovation. And the idea that I presented is to focus on various solutions that could be a complementary position in order to reduce what we call the total cost of ownership, which is a very important driver to public owner, for example, social housing owner, to have first a better understanding of where are the costs, maybe on the capex or on the opex, but either to have a complete view on the total cost of ownership, which is for me the key driver in order to implement new solutions. And today, in that optimization target, we have tested new solutions, like currently a new one, which is a robotic aspect to do some tasks that are complicated, dangerous, and sometimes difficult to hire people to do that. So now robotic is a part of the answer, which could increase the speed of execution and reduce the cost accordingly and the risk. And this is for us the current strategy in terms of innovation at Bouygues Construction.